You know what we love about this home? It has tons of upgrades, it's low maintenance, and it's right near Silverdale with its shopping, restaurant, military base, and St. Michael Hospital.
But not only that, you're minutes and walking distance from schools, you're minutes away from the Silverdale waterfront where there's boating, beaches, and trails, and so much more. Let's go take a look.
So I'm so excited to show you this place. It has been redone to the hilt. They have all brand new fresh paint throughout. And look at over here, let's go over here to this kitchen. I love this granite countertop. Look how huge it is. It has tons of space for you to put food here, for entertaining. The appliances are fairly new, and I love this pass-through window for you to put your food through here. But I can also see outside to the green belt and enjoy that while I'm sitting here in my kitchen.
And over here in the living room, you have this nice cozy fireplace that you can snuggle up to on a cold winter's night. You have this dark, rich, waterproof laminate flooring that is throughout the lower level. It's perfect for if you have kids that cause spills, or if you even have pets that live those little happy messes, because they'll clean right up.
And here we have a brand new deck that is perfect for your barbecues. And then you can head on out to your backyard, hang out by the fire pit with your friends and family. And I love that it's backed up to this green belt behind us. So it's perfect. It just feels so private. You feel like you're just in an oasis.
And as you come upstairs, you have this nice open family room that has newer carpets that's nice and plush, perfect for your kids to be playing on. You have bedroom number 1 and number 2 that both have views of the front of the house. Bedroom number 2 actually has a walk-in closet. It's got new trim throughout and it's been freshly painted. And of course over here is the full bath that has also been nicely updated.
And here we are in the master suite. I love this space. It's nice and private. It backs up to the green belt, so you have that nice quietness back here.
No.
And then over here, we have got our master bath. We've got a couple double sinks here. And then over here, we've got this nice big soaking tub with double-headed shower head. So if you're looking for a wonderful home in an amazing community that's close to downtown Silverdale and Island Lake, you have to check it out. I'm Kim.
And I'm Mike.
And this is Baby Judah, and we love to give you a tour of this home.